So little video on GoPro 6. I just got it today and it froze on me. Look at this. I'm gonna press this button. I seriously think it froze on me. Let's see what we can do. See, it looks like it's in like a setup mode. Is there like a Alt Control Delete button? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Nope. Look at this, completely frozen. I mean, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to restart it. Okay, I restarted it. Okay, let's see. It's working now. I mean, if it's gonna, oh, what the heck? Never mind. I got freaked out because I saw that symbol and I was like, oh shoot, did it freeze again? And so yeah. If you had issues with GoPro 6, please let me know. I haven't even reviewed it. I just opened it up and it's like 3:28 in the morning. I'm messing with it and I don't like it that it froze on me. Hopefully I'll never do it again. And I haven't updated a firmware on it, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'll make a video how to update the firmware and see if that's gonna resolve the issue, or else it's going back to Best Buy. Yeah, and with the whole 15% restocking fee, hopefully they're not gonna take it from me. I mean, it's all depends on the camera if it's gonna go bad or not, you know. So stay tuned for more videos on GoPro Hero 6 black or gray. Well, thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you have similar issues. I just bought the GoPro Hero 5 and I went online today and it was on sale. This one was on sale for like it was $100 off. So I went to Best Buy, returned it, and bought this one. So yeah, thank you, goodbye.